Hi there, welcome to my math channel MathWeb. In this video, I am going to explain question number 3 from Cambridge AS and A-level exam for Pure Math 1. This exam is taken in October November session year 2024. Paper reference code is 9709/11. The diagram shows a sector of circle center O where OB equals to OC equals to 15 centimeter. The size of the angle BOC is given there, that is 2 over 5 pi radian. So most important part for here, the shaded region is bounded by the arcs AD and BC by straight lines AB and DC. It is given that, this is the most important part of this question, the area of shaded region is 209 over 5 pi square centimeter. This is the area of shaded part. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. You need to find the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. And also, your answer should be in terms of pi. So these are the most important things about this question, like the area of the shaded region is given, the angle is given. First of all, you should know what sides you need to find. Actually, you need to find AB, BC, CD, and AD. This one, we have arc AD and BC. This arc BC, you could easily find it. And later on, we can find these two sides as well, like these two AB and DC, they are equal, because the radii are equal for this sector. First of all, let me find this arc length BC by using this formula. Using L equals to R theta, you know the formula for arc length. L is the arc length, R is the radius, and theta is the angle. This is theta. So BC you could find easily, that will be equals to this one. R is 15 for the big sector, and theta is 2 over 5 pi. Just simplify these numbers, you will get the answer as 6 pi, because this 5 and 15 will be cancelled. You get the result as 3 multiplied to 6 pi. So this is the arc length BC. To find the arc length of AD, you should know the radius of this small sector. Let us assume that the radius of this small sector is x. You can assume the radius of small sector is x. If you notice that area of, if you want to find area of AOD, the sector AOD, you need to subtract the shaded area from area of sector. Let me write the formula for this one. Like if you want to find area of sector AOD, what we will do, we will subtract the area of this one, the shaded area, from area of sector. This area will be subtracted from area of sector. Let me write here area of sector formula, 1 over 2 r square theta. This is the area of the big sector, BOC. This is big sector, okay. This is the formula, minus area of shaded region, that is 209 over 5 pi. So by using this one, we could easily find the area of sector AOD. But our purpose is not to find the area of sector. Actually, our purpose is to find the radius of small sector. Okay, hopefully you understand it. Here again, you can apply the formula, the same formula actually. Instead of r, we will use here x instead of r. So we can write here 1 over 2 x square theta. Theta is the same for both sectors, for small sector and big sector. Okay, theta will be same. This is theta. So equals to 1 over 2 r square. R is given there, that is 15 square, and theta is also given in the question, that is 2 over 5 pi, minus 209 over 5 pi. 1 over 2 x square theta, right as is, that is 2 over 5 pi, equals to, if you simplify by using calculator, you get the result of this one as, because it is 15 square, 15 square is 225, 225 divided by 5 will be 45. So answer of this part is 45 pi, minus 209 over 5 pi. You can write as is in your calculator, 45 instead of, no need to write pi, just only write the numbers, because some calculators are not giving you direct answers. So better you write 45 minus 209 over 5 in your calculator to get the answer of this part, as it will be 16 over 5 pi. Okay, and this 2 will be cancelled out from the other side. It will be x square into pi over 5. Okay, so this pi over 5 will be cancelled out for sure. This pi and 5 will be cancelled from both sides. You get the answer of x square as 16, and we need to take square root of this one. Again, we know that radius cannot be negative, therefore you need to write the positive answer of this part as only. Actually, when you are taking the square root, we are adding plus and minus, but radius cannot be negative, therefore we are adding here plus 4 only. So this is the radius of the small sector. Got it? After finding this radius of small sector, we can easily find the arc length of small sector AD by using the same formula, this one. Arc length AD will be equals to x theta. So arc AD will be equals to x theta. X is the radius. X is 4 and theta is 2 over 5 pi. So this arc length will be equals to 8 over 5 pi. Okay, now because we already found the value of x, therefore AB and DC could be found because it is total is 15 and value of x is 4. So the remaining part, 15 minus 4 will be 11. So these two sides will be 11. Okay, AB and DC will be equals to 11. Also, we can write here AB equals to DC is equals to 15 minus 4 equals to 11. Therefore, perimeter, we will add up all these sides. We have AB and we have DC, so you will add them together, 11 plus 11. And also you need to add the arc lengths. First arc length BC is equals to 6 pi and the other arc length is 8 over 5 pi. You need to add these two as well. 6 pi plus 8 over 5 pi. Because we want our answer in terms of pi, so we will solve these two terms separately and this one separately. So it will be 22 plus, if you solve them by using calculator, your calculator will give you the answer as 38 over 5 pi. So this is the perimeter for the shaded part. Hopefully you understand it. Still, if you have any doubt or you want to write any comment about this question, please write in the comment box. Thank you.